Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform houses into homes filled with warmth and character. Today, we're diving into something truly magical, creating an anthropology-inspired farmhouse Christmas that celebrates natural materials, vintage finds, and those earthy, organic touches that make your heart sing. Think warm woods, terracotta accents, dried botanicals, and that effortlessly curated look Anthropologie does so well. If you love this cozy, collected aesthetic as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for your weekly dose of design inspiration. Let's create some holiday magic together. Your farmhouse exterior sets the stage for the warm welcome awaiting inside. Embrace the natural wood tones of your siding or trim and layer in Christmas greenery with an organic twist. Drape fresh cedar garlands across your porch railings, mixing in eucalyptus branches and dried pampas grass for that anthropology eclecticism. Add oversized terracotta pots filled with winterberry branches and magnolia leaves. Instead of traditional red bows, opt for wide linen ribbons in cream and sage. A vintage wooden ladder leaning against the porch, wrapped in twinkling warm white lights, creates instant charm. Step into a space that immediately feels like a warm embrace. Your entryway embodies what designers call functional layering, where beauty meets purpose. Start with a reclaimed wood bench featuring turned legs and a weathered finish, topped with linen cushions in natural oatmeal tones. Above it, hang a collection of vintage brass hooks for coats and scarves. Position a large arched mirror with an aged wood frame to bounce light and create depth. Your shoe cabinet should feel like furniture, perhaps a repurposed apothecary chest with small labeled drawers that nod to Anthropologie's love of curiosities. Now let's dress your entryway for Christmas with that collected over time aesthetic. Drape your bench with a chunky knit throw in cream or caramel, adding velvet pillows in deep forest green and burnt orange. Tuck sprigs of dried lavender and wheat into a vintage ceramic pitcher on your console. Your doormat should be natural core with a simple seasonal message in understated typography. Above the hooks, create a garland using fresh pine mixed with preserved oak leaves and cinnamon sticks tied with twine. Add ambient lighting with a brass lantern holding a pillar candle, creating that flickering warmth Anthropologie spaces are known for. The living room is where farmhouse meets refined bohemian sensibility. Your furniture should anchor the space with substantial wood pieces. Think a coffee table crafted from reclaimed barnwood with visible grain and natural imperfections. Choose a sofa in natural linen or oatmeal performance fabric that invites relaxation. Layer in a vintage leather armchair as an accent piece, its patina telling stories of years past. An area rug in muted terracotta and cream geometric patterns grounds the seating arrangement. Built-in shelving or a large wooden bookcase provides opportunities for curated displays that change with the seasons. Transform your living room into a Christmas haven using nature's palette and organic materials. Your tree should feel gathered from the forest. A fresh noble fir decorated with wooden ornaments, dried orange slices, and small terracotta pots as unique baubles. Wrap it in warm copper fairy lights rather than traditional multicolored strands. Style your mantle with layers. Start with a garland of mixed evergreens and eucalyptus. Add vintage brass candlesticks at varying heights, and nestle in small ceramic houses or bottle brush trees in muted sage and cream. Scatter velvet pillows in rust, olive, and cream across your sofa, and drape a chunky cable knit throw over the arm. Your dining space should celebrate the beauty of gathering around natural materials. A solid wood farmhouse table with visible grain and a hand-rubbed finish becomes your centerpiece. Look for pieces with turned legs or trestle bases for authentic character. Surround it with a mix of seating that captures that collected over time aesthetic, perhaps Windsor-style chairs in a weathered finish alongside a wooden bench on one side. A vintage hutch or sideboard in distressed wood provides both storage and display opportunities. Overhead, Choose a chandelier with natural elements, perhaps one featuring wood beads, iron detailing, or even antler-inspired forms. Create a tablescape that whispers rather than shouts, using what designers call tonal layering. Start with a base of natural linen table runner in undyed ecru, allowing the beautiful wood grain to show through. Your centerpiece should feel foraged. Arrange pillar candles in varying heights on a wooden dough bowl, surrounding them with fresh pine clippings, dried hydrangeas, and clusters of pine cones. Use natural rattan chargers topped with simple cream stoneware plates. Add vintage brass flatware and amber-tinted glassware for warmth. Place a sprig of rosemary tied with twine at each setting, both beautiful and fragrant, embodying Anthropologie's multisensory approach. The kitchen is where farmhouse functionality shines brightest. Open shelving in natural wood or wrought iron brackets displays your most beautiful dishware and becomes part of the decor itself. Your cabinetry should feature shaker-style doors in a warm wood tone. Think natural oak, walnut, or even painted in a soft sage that feels organic rather than trendy. Butcher block countertops or soapstone bring warmth and authenticity. A farmhouse sink with an exposed apron front and vintage-style brass faucet creates that timeless focal point. Keep your refrigerator panels simple, or cover it with wood panels for a seamless, furniture-like appearance. Dress your kitchen for Christmas while maintaining functionality. The key is working decor. Drape your open shelving with simple garlands of eucalyptus and pine, allowing them to cascade naturally. Display your most beautiful vintage crockery interspersed with small potted paperwhites and rosemary topiaries. On the counters, create a coffee station around your small machine using a vintage wooden tray, adding cinnamon sticks in an apothecary jar and a small chalkboard sign with a seasonal menu. Above the sink window, hang a simple wreath made from grapevine and dried oranges. Your stove area deserves a statement moment. Add brass canisters filled with wooden spoons, fresh herbs in terracotta pots, and perhaps a vintage scale holding winter citrus. This gathering space should embrace what designers call hygge, that Danish concept of cozy contentment. Build your room around a substantial media console in reclaimed wood with plenty of texture and character. Your flat TV mounts above it but doesn't dominate. Surround it with wood-framed botanicals or a gallery wall of vintage finds. Choose a deep, sink-in sectional in durable linen or textured weave that can withstand family life. Add a round ottoman upholstered in vintage kilim or leather that serves as both footrest and additional seating. Layer in plenty of texture through knit poofs, sheepskin throws, and varied pillow fabrics. Make this space the coziest spot in your home for holiday movie marathons and family time. String simple greenery along your media console, weaving in battery-operated fairy lights for gentle ambience. Style the console with vintage books stacked horizontally, topped with small brass animals or ceramic trees. Add a basket filled with plaid wool blankets in earthy tones, rust, olive, and cream, for grab-and-go coziness. On side tables, place hurricane glasses with pillar candles surrounded by cranberries and evergreen sprigs. Create a hot cocoa station on a bar cart using vintage thermoses, ceramic mugs, and a wooden tray displaying toppings in glass jars, marshmallows, cinnamon sticks, and chocolate shavings. Your work-from-home space should inspire productivity while maintaining farmhouse warmth. Choose a compact writing desk in solid wood with simple, clean lines, perhaps a campaign-style desk or one with turned legs and a single drawer. Position it near natural light if possible. A vintage wooden chair with a linen cushion provides comfort without the bulk of a modern office chair. Open shelving above your desk displays both functional items and beautiful objects. Add a small vintage radio for ambient music, its analog dials providing a screen-free moment. A unique brass desk clock and a ceramic pencil holder maintain the curated aesthetic while serving daily needs. Keep your workspace inspiring through the holidays with subtle, sophisticated touches that won't distract from productivity. A small potted Norfolk Island pine serves as a miniature Christmas tree on your desk, decorated sparingly with tiny wooden ornaments or left natural. Swap your usual desk accessories for seasonal versions: a brass letter holder filled with holiday cards, a vintage inkwell holding candy canes. Add a small wreath made from preserved boxwood hanging above your desk on linen ribbon. On your shelves, tuck in vintage books with red and green spines, small brass bells, and mercury glass votives. A linen pinboard displays seasonal inspiration cards and family photos with natural wood clothespins. Create an intimate corner that beckons you to slow down, essential in farmhouse living. This requires what designers call a moment of pause within your home. Position a comfortable armchair or small love seat in worn leather or linen near a window, paired with a vintage floor lamp with warm Edison bulbs. Add a small round side table in wood or metal for your tea and books. Built-in window seats work beautifully here if your architecture allows. Include a small bookcase within arm's reach, styled with your current reads and treasured favorites. A footstool or ottoman in kilim or sheepskin completes the cozy nest. Transform your reading sanctuary into a holiday retreat using soft textures and warm lighting. Drape your chair with a luxurious faux fur or chunky knit throw in cream or soft gray. Add velvet pillows in deep jewel tones: burgundy, forest green, or amber. On your side table, create a vignette with a small brass candlestick, a vintage teacup holding a tea light, and a stack of classic Christmas literature. If you have a window seat, line it with pillows in varied textures and patterns that feel collected rather than matched. String a simple garland of dried orange slices along your bookshelf, and tuck in small bottle brush trees between your favorite volumes. Your bedroom should be a serene retreat that prioritizes natural materials and calming tones. Choose a bed frame in solid wood, perhaps with a simple spindle headboard or substantial four-poster design in a weathered finish. Layer your bed with European linen in natural tones, adding a chunky knit blanket at the foot and a vintage quilt for texture. Nightstands should feel like individual furniture pieces rather than a matched set, perhaps a small antique chest on one side and a rustic wooden stool on the other. A large antique mirror or botanical artwork above the bed grounds the space. Keep lighting soft with brass or ceramic table lamps with linen shades. Dress your bedroom for Christmas with restraint, maintaining its peaceful sanctuary quality. At the foot of your bed, drape a plaid wool blanket in muted tones, rust and cream or olive and tan. Add 1 or 2 velvet pillows in deep seasonal colors to your usual linen bedding. On your nightstands, place small ceramic trees in matte white or natural terracotta, paired with a single pillar candle in a brass holder. A simple wreath of dried eucalyptus and lavender hangs above your bed on cream linen ribbon. On your dresser, create a subtle holiday vignette. Vintage wooden trays holding jewelry with small pine cones scattered around, a brass dish with cinnamon sticks, and perhaps one small framed botanical print featuring winter flora. Your bathroom should feel like a spa retreat grounded in natural materials. If renovating, choose shiplap or subway tiles in muted whites and creams. A freestanding clawfoot tub or deep soaker tub becomes a beautiful focal point. Your vanity should feature a vessel sink atop a repurposed wooden dresser or cabinet with a natural wood finish, paired with brass or unlacquered brass fixtures that will patina beautifully over time. Open shelving holds rolled towels in natural linen and cotton. The shower features simple white tiles with perhaps a single accent wall in marble or natural stone. Add warmth underfoot with a natural fiber rug or vintage Turkish towel. Bring subtle holiday cheer to your bathroom through scent, texture, and small touches. Roll fresh white and cream towels with sprigs of rosemary tucked into the folds, their fragrance releasing with the steam. Place a small evergreen wreath on your mirror or hanging from a brass hook. On your vanity, A range of vintage wooden tray holding amber glass bottles, a ceramic soap dish, and a small bundle of cinnamon sticks tied with twine. Add a brass tray with luxury seasonal soaps, perhaps pine, fir, or cranberry scents. In your shower, hang eucalyptus from the shower head for an aromatic spa experience. A pillar candle in a hurricane glass on the tub edge creates instant ambience for evening soaks. Don't neglect these transitional spaces. They deserve the farmhouse treatment too. Your garage should feature organized storage using open wooden shelving and vintage metal bins, keeping functionality beautiful. If you have a workbench, choose solid wood construction. For the patio, embrace weathered wood furniture, perhaps a farmhouse dining table and benches under a pergola draped with cafe lights. Add comfortable seating with all-weather cushions in natural canvas tones. Planters in terracotta and aged concrete hold evergreens and winter-hardy plants. Even in cold months, style your patio with lanterns, outdoor-safe garlands, and perhaps a vintage wooden sled leaning against the house, creating a holiday welcome from every angle. There you have it, friends, your complete guide to creating an Anthropologie-inspired farmhouse Christmas that celebrates warm woods, earthy accents, and that beautifully curated aesthetic we all love. Remember, the key to this look is layering natural materials, embracing imperfection, and choosing pieces that feel collected over time rather than bought all at once. Mix your vintage finds with new natural materials, and don't be afraid to let your personal story show through your decor. If this video inspired you to transform your own space, I'd absolutely love to see it. Share your photos in the comments below. And please, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. Wishing you the coziest, most beautiful holiday season. Happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next one.